So I got the Zinus Leah platform bed frame. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, which is, what is the assembly time like for this bed frame? The second question I was seeing is, are these slats attached securely? And then the third question I was seeing is, does this make a lot of noise when you're moving around on it? Which was a big thing for me because my last bed frame was super noisy, and that's why I actually got this one. But let's get into the first question. What is the assembly time like? I got this thing put together in under an hour. Could not be easier. Everything is nicely labeled for you, and there's really only like 10 parts to it. They give you all the tools. So if you're doing it by yourself, expect to get it done in about 45 minutes to an hour, and if you're good, probably quicker. But if you got somebody helping you, I bet you're gonna get this thing assembled in 30 minutes or maybe even less. It really is that easy. And now for the second question is, are these slats securely attached? So yeah, so there's Velcro all the way through on these, so you can securely attach them or remove them very easily. And what I also like too is they do give you some non-slip tape on both sides of this bed frame. So if you are going to put down a mattress, you can have this non-slip tape under there, or strip. It's going to keep your mattress on top of this bed frame if you are moving around. So it's going to be nice and secure for you. And now for the final question is it noisy? So it is not noisy at all, and that's why I got this bed frame, because I had a last one that was fully metal and it was so noisy, it was annoying. But what's nice about this is it's wooden slats, and then on top of the frame right here is a foam piece. So you have wood on foam. So it's not going to make any noise for you at all. It's going to be completely silent, which is exactly what I wanted. And same with on the headboard here. It's all wood, so there's not going to be any squeaking or anything like that. But overall, it's exactly what I needed. It was easy to put together. Like I said, it's quiet, which is what I wanted. So I'm super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.